Hello guys, and this is day 3 of my bathroom renovation project, and in today's video I'm gonna be removing this huge PVC pipe. Then I'm gonna extend 2-inch pipe from a center to the wall, and I'm gonna try to fit my new bathtub and see if anything needs to be changed before installing bathtub and walls. So that's plan for today. I have couple options how to extend this drain line, and I probably will be using 90-degree PVC elbow, but now I need to remove soil because I want to cut this big PVC pipe as low as possible. And as I started, you can see this pipe came off itself, and the only one thing that was holding it in place was a cement, and so now I don't have to worry about cutting it. It saved me a lot of time, and I'm really grateful for it. So now I want to cut all of the wires, and this saw is perfect for this job. So this is the extension, even though it is just a first fit, but it will be great. And now I'm gonna try to fit my new bathtub into place and see if I need to change anything before installation. Unfortunately, bathtub walls do not fit an existing box, and I have to remove all of the tile that I hoped in the beginning to save. Also, I need to remove this drywall and all 2x4s that have been nailed to fit previous shower. This is it for today. I finished what I planned. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.